Okay, what you will need is a pair of these for touching nettles, scissors for cutting nettles, and an eco-friendly plastic bag. So, let's go and find some. Need to be next to water, even a wee stream. And already we can see plenty of wild garlic. That's the stuff with the wee white flowers on it. Absolutely loads. It's beautiful. Now this is the end of May up in Scotland, so obviously a good time for it. Now I don't want to take them from down here where there's been dogs walking, so, and I don't want to damage them too much either, but I'm just going to get a wee bit further in. I'm sure they won't mind if I step on one or two leaves. I don't need gloves for this. I can just pick the leaves. And I like to just take one or two from each plant. Don't want to go upsetting anybody. And when I say anybody, I mean the actual plants. So, I'll get some more of these and one or two flowers just for garnish. I'll get some more and then we'll go find some nettles. Right, got a fair whack of leaves that's going to do. Going to find some nettles, which I know are up here somewhere, so we'll just head up there. There's a wee nettle field, and incidentally, some mushrooms. Right, we're not here for that though, we're here for nettles, so let's get in about them. Oh, jeez. I think it's time to put gloves on and then have a skek at these. I read online you only want to take from where the second layer of open leaves is, so I presume that's just underneath there. Yeah, I can put gloves on and get cutting. Ow. So, from here, I think. Oops. This is hard to do one-handed. Where's he gone? There. Yes. Oops. No, that's someone else. There. Okay. Pop that in here. And go for some more. Again, here's like the second layer of open leaves, I presume. Go for that. Now, I have read that you can touch the very tips with your bare fingers because they're so young. They've not made jaggy bits yet, but I'm not going to test it out. I'm going to keep my gloves on and keep snipping. I've just noticed the giant hogweed that was warned about. Here it is. So, yeah, I'm not going to get any closer to that. Just going to steer clear away from it and carry on with the nettle picking. Man, if the nettles don't manage to get you through your trousers or whatever, then the thistles are likely to manage. Between these guys and that hogweed, jeez. These plants know how to defend themselves. Like, there's more giant hogweed. And it's old dead flowers from last year. Pure massive. I'm not going over there. Screw that. Going back into the bonny bit. Here's the bounty. I'm gonna rinse it because you don't know what little buggies are still in there. Don't know how effective this is actually, but it can feel better. Okay, so I'm going with the BBC Good Food website's recipe for wild garlic and nettles soup. And the first ingredient is a tablespoon of rapeseed oil, but I don't really like the sound of that. So I'm going with rice bran oil, which we had in the cupboard anyway, and is meant to be pretty good for you. The next thing is 25 grams of butter, which I think looks something like that. So we'll go with that. Then it's 1 onion, 1 leek, 2 celery sticks, carrot, and that carrot's a bit sad looking, so I think we'll have 2 of them. 1 small potato, that's a really big potato, so we'll just use half of him, I guess. Looking pretty chuffed with himself. The last, well, it's not the last thing, is vegetable stock. And obviously that's a really expensive way to go about it. But I don't like the powdered stuff, or at least most of them, because they're full of frickin' palm oil and all host of other kinds of stuff. Oh yeah, I nearly forgot the stars of, oh god, that's so close. The stars of the show, nettle and garlic. And lastly, they say 3 tablespoons of milk, but I want to use something bitter. Better, not bitter, better. Look, how professional. Too much tatty. Okay, now we're adding the oil and the butter to the pan. It is clean, that's just a slight accident that happened one time. But it's fine. Get in. It's in. And then that got a melt, and then add all the vegetables, and they want to sweat. So I'm only going to put it on like 2, because I mean that would make me sweat. Okay, fingers ready. So we're gonna add the onion. Oh, is there going to be room actually? This is a bit worrying. Leek. Oh fuck, that's because I was looking at the camera. Shit, I swore that was bad. Celery. There's going to be no bowls, no clean bowls left for actual soup at this rate. Oh, and a big clean-up job as well. Right, okay, look at both at once. You've got 2 eyes, you can do it. And loads of potato. Brilliant. I'm going to deal with this now. Okay, well, so far so good. We've got a lot more potato than we wanted and a lot less leek. I added a pinch of salt when you weren't looking because I needed 2 hands for it. So we're going to cover this, and apparently it's going to sweat and not burn for like 15 to 20 minutes. I'm sure that's going to go really well. Okay, it's been 15, I think. I stirred it once. No, I stirred it twice. Actually, okay. It's a miracle. Oh. Okay, well now that everyone's apparently sweated enough, we're gonna turn up the heat to like a simmering point. I'm gonna go for, I don't know, 5? Is that too much? That's boiling, isn't it? We're gonna add all the stock. Oh, I just stopped somewhere. Oh jeez. Okay, I'm just gonna turn up high until it That stock heats up, I guess, and then turn it down again. This is not a simmer, I think this is a roiling boil. So I'm turning it down, even though there's not even that long left to go. What? Okay, so that's time up, and I just checked the recipe, and it says that to add the nettles in several batches and boil them, because obviously you need to take the sting out if there's a sting, and then you add the wild garlic. But I've got them all mixed together, so I get to pick them all apart. Okay, they're separated. Lights on now because it's getting so dark as this is taking so freaking long. Let's put these in. It says to add them in batches, but I'm sure this is fine. On. Good. In, thank you. Yeah, so I'm going to turn it up again a wee bit. So I'm pretty sure these need, oops, heated up kind of a lot to take the sting out, because I really don't want stings in my mouth. I'm real sorry, I forgot to film adding the wild garlic leaves. I don't think I picked enough of either of these. It's not very green looking. I'm going to let it cool down and then blend it. Okay, so final product. I made a big mistake in not pulling the nettle leaves off of their stems and discarding the stems, because the stems created this quite horrendous gloopy long hangy down bit on your spoon when you were trying to eat it, which was very, very off-putting. So that would be my recommendation, to discard the nettle stems and only use the leaves.